अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट, आपकी दोस्त एंजल आई। वेलकम टू एवरीवन। थैंक यू सो मच जॉइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। प्लीज लाइक फॉलो शेयर माय लाइव स्ट्रीम एंड थैंक यू सो मच। आज हम चलिए दोस्तों, आज हम बात करते हैं गेट टारगेट पे, ओजी पे। और गेट एक्स ओजी, ओजी लॉन्च, ओजी इकोसिस्टम वीक। Future Simple Earn Candy Drop and Future Trading Competition Share 1.036.687 OG tokens. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, follow, share my live stream, and thank you so much. 2025 9 9 19 7 11.17.39 UTC 12715 views. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, follow, share my live stream, and thank you so much. Get to launch OG Sport Trading and Future Trading new live. To reward our users, simple earn candy drop and future trading competition will OG according to the timeline flow. Join now and experience it. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, follow, share my live stream. Simple and get well launch it to OG. Simple and on September 22, 2025 user can participate to share 1.00.00 OG in reward first come first service. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, follow, share my live stream, and thank you so much. Join now. Simple and power principal product expel frame combined interactive 2.63 million total landing USD 10.11% EST API USD. USD 14.77% fixable fixed. BTC 110.33% fixable fixed. ETH 6.89% fixable fixed. GT 1.09% fixable fixed. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, follow, share my live stream. And thank you so much. LNG 19.81% feasible fish. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, follow, share my live stream, and thank you so much. SUL 4.38% fixable. How to perfect from simple and one correct allotting offer. Intellectually the process to let or pure either funds. 02 point. Successful method. System measures your loading offer with dropping needs in the market. 03 point compound interactive. Uncompound interactive after your assets are found successful. FAQ. What is simple earn? To get simple earn, you can prospect from more than nine registered cryptocurrencies and they upload in the product of your investment professional certified. You can submit to flexible stream of a stream product to earn refer with crypto asset. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like follow share my live stream. How is the internet to of simple and feasible stream calculation and distributed? Your subscription to get simple and stream will work as working capital from Lord. Business of the platform, the system will add to your funds to other user and the interact regulatory will be distributed to your as the cumulative reference to your reference form of your subscriptions. If your assets are too check you will receive the interactive art during the following hours at t plus 1 however if you redeem your asset before 1 plus 1 t plus 1 you will not receive any internet from the past or internet service where every horse will be in an investment automatical to uncompound internet. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, follow, share my live stream. You can redeem both the principal and internet art repetitions. If currently it is template, APR is the last APR art was simple and once can be successful matches from loading and entry. Refer it is calculation based on history, data and credit market building and probing demand. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like for share my live stream. How is the internet of simple and stream calculation and distributed? After successful subscription, internet will be calculated at the APR at the come of subscription during out the stream and start to increase at 1 at 0.00 UTC plus 0 the next day, but the internet and the principal will be created to use spot accounts and unverified accounts after the order reach neutral. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, follow, share my live stream. How to redeem simple MP stream also for real time repetition or every if you will process to many repetition requests during the entry might be right is an asset or average please wait product after subscription to request and internet will keep active during the waiting periods. Simple and pay stream always form flexible repetition before the order reach material or every any repetition will result in the loss of all increased internet. The principal will be returned to your spot accounts or under filed accounts for when subscription the repetition request. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Guide to simple earn course. This course will help you master the business of get simple earn in clarity in future and perfect model. After loading the course, you will not be able to set the probability of simple earn according to your own needs to market operation cost your crypto asset you and maximum script capital of it to get to launch. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. During Get Simple Earn, you can perfect their more than 18 cryptocurrency and analyzed to the protect of your investment. Perfect simplify you can subscription to feasible stream office stream product to earn refer you well crypto asset. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, follow, share my live stream and thank you so much. Easy subscription. You can user your idle cryptocurrency to subscription to flexible team. Protect watch what can it redeem anything anytime to earn daily reward of subscription to festival team protect from highest and more stable return auto and idle cryptocurrency into your spot accounts or undefined account will be used to add your subscription to simple and with stream protected or for simple reflect at 2.13 UTC plus 0 and 15.30 UTC plus 0 every day. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Disclaimer: the price of cryptocurrency future before the value of your internet investment many go after go you are solid get is not left for any loss and you many Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Indicate to protocol refer to only crypto investment in the repetition of the cryptocurrency you investment. It is a indicate. Once you host, you can many receive referral only on not as expert. None of the above shall be considered as fantasy. Advice from your information, please refer to your team of user and reach and disclaimer. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like to share my live stream. Repetition risk to many repetition request for your product accounts many result in the import shorting of the available reputation balance, which is run leading from daily of but please read asset is that your asset are always tough in simple earn. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like share my live stream. Candy Drop. Candy Drop get is a drop reward platform as Dream up with Protel to OG for any ecosystem will event launch of Candy Drop 8 9 Candy Drop X OG complete feature and sport trading task to share 66.667 OG super airdrop maximum 20 OG per person. Per future pool 3.64 OG maximum 10 OG 100 OG per person. Sport trading pool 3.33 OG maximum 100 OG per person. Event starts September 22.2025 10.10 September 30.2025 11.00 UTC. Join now. Candy Drop completes task to claim airdrop 68.35k. Total participatory is 807.2k total airdrop GST. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. OG. OG is the OG is live in one bullet from AL. It is a all operation system developer unlimited perfect and enable. It is transparent. Your provide flexible community over our need and soft L at 20% lost cost than sacrificed black box system. OG future partitions, we are loading the V2 mic AL public code. About OG partitions, the OG partitions is the caveat of disclaimatories AL as a public code. We support the world's first AL, large one designed from transparent, verified is social. Met runs is closing met block box. There are cluttered operating the and file in unsafe OG tasks is different part. This aligned operating system that developer model strong, accessible data available and verified computer are the future of the cost of one. Our mission is simple to make all equitable to the public and create transparency for stream and with high needs. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like to share my live stream. The OG Petitions is supported by a global network of credibility. We're bringing deep and technical expertise and royal world best. Our community ideal window of unlock complete and larding. We have increased hundred of millions is every 10%, 10%, 10 plus PHDS is crypto. Computer installation advanced reach data for A of AL and blockchain. What class information include five allocate plug marker, players and exclusive from loading instruction. The OG ecosystem is soliciting future can any AI blockchain the data with rapid topology, increase information reach and partnership. OG is not an only building the world's is efficient dominant AL operation system. It is developer strict and minimality at our global social 14% 40 millions plus translation on Twitter. VS and VC with daily value on spotting top 10 millions with the first month. 13 plus ecosystem partner inquiry, label plum operation and entity decom and community first recording as the first project to win spot the EG community fault can test. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Researching big for cats like the NFT starting ERS 7857. Label has white paper credibility and peer receiver word on. Discretion trading net from work sexual up to 110 1078 participate. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream, and thank you so much. Price pool for future trading policy 3.64 OG. Learning, log in and participate. Complete the following tasks. OG for future trading tasks 1 candy, 3 candy, 5 candy. Up to 1 OG not participate for trading to share 60.33 OG invalid cap 10 OG. Log in and participate. Complete the following tasks. OG spot trading tasks: 1 candy, 3 candy, 5 candy, 7 candles, 50 USDT, 2.00 USDT, 5.00 USDT, 7.00 USDT. When up to 1 OG, trim and conditions: 1 click the 2 1 to click to claim reward, participate near the tip. Tap click the join on button on the event page to register from the event and complete interval verification and event tasks. 2. Reward will be distributed to users or accounts within 14 working days after the event ends. 3. Any future activity and creative click account registered malicious trading, safe trading and corruptory during a separate probability multiply accounts win the what is with the sum event integrity verification will be consolidated as a sum. Same accounts sub accounts are not eligible to participate in this event. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like for share my live stream. For this event is not open. The market marks enterprise and activity after affiliate accounts are not eligible for referral type events but can join other event. 5. Only only full finally order are counted word to word the event by product first ones are not counted. 6. In case of displays between the translate and the original English version, the English version shall be will. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, follow, share my live stream. 7. It get receiver the right of him of filing interpretation. 8. This warning cryptocurrency trading is efficacious by many features such as market future and public. The market future greater and efficacy to protect please fairly and to start in risk annuity and trade with conflict. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. 9. User from resistance security have no increased to all of part of the service. Inquiry participate in this event. Game and competition for more information about resistance. Please refer to the user agreement. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. FAQ question number 1. What are the requirement of participants can you drop? In user participate in can you drop are requirement to complete interval verification and click the join button. On the event page only after successful joining will the activity data we granted market mass enterprise into activity are not eligible to participate in this event. When will candles be distributed after completing tasks? Candy will be distributed when once 3 hours after user complete task. Please log in and check the candies operating from candy drop after 3 hours. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. What are the first spot and first future trading tasks? User we have never considered any sport and future trading after joining get can claim and there is their tasks by marking their first sport future trading of the simplified tokens and receive the cumulative trading volume requirement during the event periods. User can complete the tasks and receive event reward. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Future trading competition get is launching. OG future trading get a 10 USD airdrop with your spot. Future trading and all order will share a reward of 30.00 USD when up to 2110 USD per user. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream, and thank you so much. Event time September 18 2025, 8.00 September 25 2025, 8.00 UTC. Join now. New future eliciting or G future trading competition went up to 21 no, 210 USD per user. Get is launching OG future trading. Get is 10 USD airdrop with your first future trading, and all trading will share a reward of 30.00 USD. Event 1 first trading bonus up to 10 USD reward. During the event, user we complete the at last 5 USD in OG. OG future trading volume from the first time will receive a 10 USD. Airdrop the highest, the trading volume the higher. The airdrop limited to the first 1.00 participate first come first service. First event to all user challenge share 30.00 USD. During the event, all participating with trading OG USD future of what are trading volume of last 5.00 USD will share 30.00 USD are recording to the product of their trading volume with a maximum of 20 USD per person. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Even the invited friends earn up to 5 USD. My master box reward. Invest as many fans as you went to you earn up to 20% commission. Drop it on their future trading fee. When you invited friends complete 5 points university or more future training, you will if changes to when my Starbucks reward worth up to 500 USD. Special break. The help our user explains get convert. Future you can now start convert to translation with us later as $0.1 enjoy zero first bill for any entered expression start to convert generate today. Take convert tutor APR web notes. One complete must click the join button on the event page after registering to register from the event and complete interval verification to receive reward. 2. User rated met the where the OG USD future for during the event will country during volume by amount tail amount. 3. Reward for the activity will be distributed as positive launcher and reward will be launched 14 business days after the event and reward under 1 USD will not be issued. 4. User participate in multiply symbol get events will only receive a reward from one event. 5. Any translation account and creative link accounts may register in malicious trading, safe during and consolidated trading are security property multiple accounts with the some integrity verification will be considered as the come accounts sub accounts are not eligible to participate in this event. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, follow, share my live stream. Six, this event is not open to market marks enterprise. It will be and FKT accounts 7 in case of any displayed between the translate version on and the original version. The English version shall pay with 7. Get receiver the finally interpretation right of the event. 8. 9. User in the UK and other registered manicures may not have increased to come and all service incredibly participate in this event or competition. Form deal in details on registered recreative is adapted to the user agreement. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like for 10. Exploring cryptocurrency trading is efficacy by many futures, such as market efficacy and publish the market future created and reserved efficacy and protect. Please be a one for the rich and trader with cancelled from more details. Please refer to the user to the future guide. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like for share my live stream. Project Intrusions OG is the Get Lawyers one platform AL. It is disclosed EL operating system developer, unlimited profiles only, enable traders transparency and use drive, private party commit on to accept EL, up to 90% lost code can cancel. Black box system, not the there many may be displays between the this original translated the English and any translate version is referred to the original English version, the version from the most country information in case any displays Get Team September 19, 2025. Get buy to crypto, trade hour 3.560 cryptocurrency. Save quickly and easy and get dark activity now. Sign up and claim up to $10.00 in welcome reward. Invite friends and earn up 14% commission. Stay connected. Visit Get official website. Download the Get Tap Deposit for us and executor to get more bonus. Join a Telegram community to discuss trading topics. A clipper with a global community from the last insight. Transparent and secure. Check the 100% proof of service. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Last full $696.76 community drop $501.76k infinity total reward $38.09 my receiver 3 million plus participate. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like for the share my live stream about launch pool. Question number one, what is launch pool? Launchpool is a platform where users can stake their asset or priority to earn reward in new project tokens. User can lock simplified tokens in the Launchpool pool to receive prospective project token reward. Join Launchpool now. Question number two, how can participate in Launchpool? First, look to your get accounts and navigate to the Launchpool page. Then choose a project you want to participate in and stake your asset. Question number three, welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, follow, share my live stream. Question number three, what coin can I stake in Launchpool pool? The Turkish Agriform participate will be entirely on the mining page. From each project, please visit the prospecting page from large put for more details. Question number 4, how to get a drop bonus. When you stake BTC, GT, ETH, and USD in launch pool, you will get a bonus which is stay subject to the inverted reward cap. Can people purpose by charging to transfer to repeating asset simple RFA stream? This is not the subscription to simple RFA stream or face stream one outside launch pool will not get it from bonus. Question number 5, how many tokens will be reward? Holistic reward immunity last one or value stake amount, total pool, stake amount or a reward pool. The system will take multipliers nature of multi stake amount, such as and take the average as the value stake amount. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Question number 6, when did I receive a bonus after subscription? Subscription subscribing to simple RPST when stake. If you will receive the reward cap per host, no more bonus will be distributed. Question number 7, how are reward distributed? System will take snapshot of multi stake amount and distributed token reward to eligible user. Only earning will be distributed into user sport accounts. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Question number 8, when will the stake essay be returned? After the user system is advanced, the stake is complete. The stake essay will be transferred to Simpa and by different is this open is launched. The stake essay will be returned into sport asset. If the amount of return asset is too simple and does not meet the minimum, the prescription amount of simple and the asset will be automatically transferred to sport asset. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, follow, share my live stream. If this does not support the subscription of the redeem in token, the asset will also be automatically transferred to spot asset. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, follow, share my live stream. Question number 9, can I return by stake asset at any time? The more the system will take multiplies number of personal stake amount. Each only the calculated the value stake amount. Every earning repetition might result in the loss of increased reward. Please maintain stable stake amount, increased morning reward. Question number 10, can add education stake asset. You can increase your stake asset at any time. The more tokens you stake, the greater your particular morning reward. How everyone's long reward cap is reached, you will no longer receive reward cap. Question number 11, can a participate in multiple project at the same time? When there are multiple launch pool projects going on the same time, you can stake a different pool to receive not tokens money reward from multiple projects. Each stake will need to be stakes preferred. If you only stake acid in pool A, you will not able to betting reward from pool B. You can stake pool A and pool B, so preferred if to orbiting the corresponding mining reward. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, follow, share my live stream. Question number 12. What is the maximum mining reward I can receive? The honor reward that cap per user from each project is different. Once the cap is reached, unofficial stake reward will be greater. Please refer to the relevant information from the mining page from the reward at cap limited from each project. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Question number 13. Will stick acid in the launch poll pull best my VIP level? No acid stake in get launch pool will be included in the acid ordering calculation from order airdrop, launchpad and VIP preview. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Order airdrop. Hold GT and get maximum airdrop for free $0.01 airdrop receiver $294 0.5 millions community airdrop $20 K a total airdrop 12 millions participate. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. FAQ. Get how to airdrop, how to participate in the holder airdrop. As long as your GT already in get account is not launched, then you can participate and receive an airdrop without looking in or staking GT. What account GT holdings will be included in the calculations? Total GT holding in acquired accounts, port accounts, ancillary mining accounts. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like to share my live stream. Trading account, post account, financial accounts, and payment account. Exclusive GT2 and GT in crypto alliance and launchpad. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like to share my live stream. How is your airdrop amount calculated? Once you join the project, the system will track your GT holding, taking multiply, return, Snapchat, or every only the calculated average. Only holdings you finally see report is basically only your average holding. During the inter project period, if you average holding up to 1 GT, you will not receive any reward. Finally reward. You every only reward. I'll participate every holding. Total airdrop amount. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much, Jai Maharaj. Please like to share my live. What is per GT? Per GT is any time value in priority. The number of participate airdrop tokens you click receiver by participate in holder airdrop project. While with 1 GT and holding in your file and the project. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining live stream. Please like, follow, share my live stream. Please note the per GT will change based on the total airdrop amount and the GT holdings all of participate and update only. When my holdings secretary declare into his project, the system user returns Snapchat to calculate the average holding. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like to share my live stream. Depending on once you join each project, the calculation average holding my every returning if you holdings amount to average calculator your average holding should be the come increased all project you participate in. How to get a drop bonus? Participate in project. What is the airdrop bonus level and holder GT in simple RP stream. During the event and you will receive a airdrop bonus. After this event ends, note that if you valid GT holdings every right, receiver the stake cap is no airdrop bonus will be reward. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like to share my live. What is the invalidated United Participate Cap? Different projects have different inventive participant limited. You can check the details page of the inventive amount for more information. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much. I am Malaya Stream. This is the Exploration Malaya Stream. Question, can I participate in the Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like for share my live stream. Can I participate in multiple project at the time? You can participate in multiple project. How will the airdrop reward be distributed? The airdrop will be calculated and distributed in 1 hour after the project, and so you can check it anytime. In launch poll holder airdrop participate history. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like for the share my live stream. Launchpad. Launchpad be earning to the next pack tokens project $2.01 million amount 97.71K to participate for project. No project in Launchpad now free launch pool. Log GUSD to get LEGHT Light Airdrop highest API 3.12%. Join Launchpad. Get Launchpad is a global learning project. Launchpad platform join now to give your project more exclusive and growth options. Launchpad guide. What is Get Launchpad? Get Launchpad is a Get Navigate tokens launch platform that allows you get earning increase to high protocol crypto projects through a paid subscription model, giving you a head start before the market catches one. How to participate in Get Launchpad? You to log into your Get account, head to the Launchpad page, select a project, and click Community View More details. What tokens can users do keeping? Launchpad subscription tokens are typical USD, GT or other. Please check the project details of preferred the filing. Subscription tokens shall be based on the actual project, not proof. Ones are not eligible for participate in Launchpad project. When will my funds be looking after subscribing? If you sub if you yes if your subscription is successful, the corresponding amount will be dedicated from your accounts with cohorts after the subscription periods, and any subscribing protocol will also be unlocked and referred to your spot accounts with 4 hours after the subscription periods end. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like for share my live stream. Our tokens are created after the subscription, and tokens are distributed based on your considerable as a percentage of the total funds received. Your subscription amount data recording and tokens are credited to your spot accounts. How many tokens will I receive? Get crypto research 2 method to calculate token distributed. Method 1 tokens are calculated based on the property of your total community during the subscription periods 11 to the level to the total contributed of the project. Method 2. Tokens are calculated based on the product of your average hourly looking amount during the subscription phase levied to the project hourly earning responsibility. Resistant of the method user you allocate cannot exchange to the simplified mix cap per subscription. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, follow, share my live stream, and thank you so much. How to get it? How to get the launchpad bonus? When you use a GT and USD to participate in launchpad, you can choose a different to the simple unfinished product after the product, and so you can get any extra bonus subject to the personal distributed limited calculator. Note that you cannot get any extra distributed reward from the simple unfinished product that has not been been supplicate of during Launchpad. We as there no Launchpad. No Launchpad was when I chose as a given to simple earn during the subscription. If you receive the maximum distributed reward, there will be no dedicated reward. वेलकम टू एवरीवन थैंक यू सो मच joining my live stream please like follow share my live stream चलिए दोस्तों ये थी हमारी आज की लाइव फिर मुलाकात होगी एक नई लाइव के साथ अल्लाह हाफिज दुआ में याद रखिएगा बाय बाय टेक केयर मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट आपकी दोस्त एंजेला